Hello artists, welcome to the day one of our art business series. Today we will delve into the exciting topic of self-branding and how it can empower your artistic journey and success. So by developing a strong and authentic personal brand, you establish a unique identity and create a distinct impression in the minds of your audience and the art community. Remember, for self branding in coming weeks, we will work on your artwork, artist statement, online presence, interaction with others, and overall experience you provide as an artist. So, today's task is to leverage the power of social media for your art business. If you haven't already, create an account on platforms like Instagram or Facebook dedicated to showcasing your artwork. If you already have an account, ensure it focuses on your artwork and creative process. Start by connecting with people you know, including family, friends, colleague, and current or former students or artist group. Engage in their post, share updates about your artistic journey, and invite them to support and follow your page. When you create and share your social media account, make sure to choose a username or page name that aligns with you as a brand. For example, my personal account is Artist Pooja Jain. And over a decade, as you know, I've been teaching arts online. I mostly work under the platform IFA Online or the brand name IFA Online. So, create and share your social media details in the comment section of this video. Let's connect and follow each other's artistic journey. It's a great opportunity for everyone following this post to expand their network. Leave your Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media handle below and let's connect and support each other's art.